The Georgia Haitian American Chamber of Commerce is inviting you to create a bold new future for Haiti. Young leaders are the key to realizing that future. They need your help. They are the agronomists, the entrepreneurs, the doctors, the scientists, and lawyers who will build a brand new Haiti. Join us to set ablaze the flame of this ongoing miracle and celebrate our future leaders. Come together as excellence in action. The occasion is on July 21st, 2018 at the Western Perimeter. Be the first to take a stand. Buy your tickets now.